Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and we're very excited to show you another one of our lovely prizes. This is a 1973 VW T2 bay window factory Westfalia pop top, and it's right-hand drive as well. It's all in fantastic condition, having been sympathetically restored into this lovely VW sea blue colour scheme. I'll show you the inside, which has also, if I do the right way, also all been fully restored and kitted out with new appliances, looking really nice. Comes with all the lovely pillows and matching curtains. It's really a nice place to be in here. I will show you the pop top. I just come in here and it just pops up like so, which gives you plenty of headroom to do lots of activities. And also, if we look in here, we have our rock and roll bed, which is very easy to get out. Put your pillows over there and you just pull it out by lifting this up and out, and then try not to make it bang. That is how you get it out, and then put it up, just lift the back up and push it back in. And also your table stand is there, which goes in that hole. And if we come round to the back, I'll show you where the table is. Come to the back, a beautiful back side, may I say, and this thing lifts up like this, and you can see your table is there, which you can use, and the post goes in there. Again, nice, really lovely reupholstered back bit here, nice and comfy for you to sleep on, and that just shuts like so. And yeah, that's the VW camper, and you can buy tickets on our website. The tickets are £3.95. If you win this for £3.95, I think you'd be very happy. And if you fancy a ticket, go to theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, and good luck if you enter. And I'll show you how to start it with the key. You just turn it and it will start like magic. And this is a lovely interior as well. This has all been done out, as you can see. Really nice. Nice blue mats, blue door cards, and the key here. There we are, starts easily. So thanks for watching and good luck if you enter. I'll be off now.